Hey guys, Randy from NoLimit Beekeeping, here to do another beehive removal. So this call out would have gone through so many different networks, and now it reached all the way around back to my neighbor. So when I call the person to make contact, the person will really let me know, hey, this is Andrea boy, somebody who I grew up with from childhood. So it's literally less than 50 seconds away from where I live. This is the hive here. So the owner of this property up here, which is the same childhood friend that I grew up with, they would have been clearing the fence, coming down, cutting down all the vines until they reached this point here, and the bees would have come alive and give them speed. Another tire removal, but it seems thus far that they kind of calmed down in light of all the smoke and then I hit them. So let me see how it goes, guys. It's 4 o'clock. We'll recapture and remove this hive. I haven't caught the queen yet, but she has some nice tight laying patterns. Really nice laying patterns. Really nice laying patterns. So finally I caught the queen. Here we go. So we got 4 frames of bees and we caught the queen. So we put this together and close it up and get out and leave the bees to go in. So 4 frames are going to center it, which means you have 6 frames remaining. 6 and 4 will be 10, so I think 3 on a side. This side pretty big, eh? So here we are. Right, some of them there. The queen is caught, the boxes close up. I get 4 frames of brood, roughly. So just a wait for nightfall for me to come and pick them up. Another hive, safely secure and getting ready to put to a new home.